Hi guys, it's Primrose and welcome back. So I think it was about a week ago that I have featured this plant in one of my plant video, and this is such a very common house plant that I am sure even if I don't tell you the name, you can easily identify this plant, and you can see this in almost every garden center everywhere, I am sure. And it's that common, but I have never seen this plant in flower before until about 3 days ago. And I am sure you are curious to see as well, so I'm sharing it with you. But it's not much though. It is so tiny. So if you can see that purple color right there, that's the flower. And once it opens up, it is shaped like a bell. And I remember someone told me, but I can't remember who it was, that she's got this plant growing in her backyard, and it can spread like a weed, like weeds. So I am curious to know. So that's the dried flower. I'm curious to know if in there it's got tiny seeds which can be propagated. So if you happen to know, please leave me a comment in the comment section. And yeah, that is all for this video. It's not much, but I got excited because this is the first time that I have seen this plant in flower, and this is the first time as well that this plant has bloomed for me. So thank you so much guys for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!